Run multi-thread computing task on HPC. The key in HPC is to write a parallel computing code that utilizes multiple nodes at the same time. Essentially, more computers, faster your applications. In this video, we'll be using sbatch to run your parallel code on compute nodes. Before you run your job, it's important to check the available resources. Show cluster is a good command to check the available resources such as CPU and memory. Make sure to also check the status of your node so that your job gets started without waiting. You'd normally want to use the one that says idle, which means free to run. And here's the example of a shell script for running multi-threading job. You have #sbatch to specify the resources you need for your job, and it runs an executable named hello. And these 3 lines of code are important for parallel computing. This end tasks, this asks the number of processes you need for your job. And this CPUs per task, this is pretty self-explanatory. This asks how many CPU cores you need to run a process. And this will be the number of threads used in the job in this case. And make sure to specify which partition you're using as well, the one with the available resources. After you submitted your job, you can use the command sq to monitor your job. You can see the status of your job to see whether it's pending or running, and how long it has been since the job has started.